Hey, this is Chris from GuitarMe, and I'm here to tell you about a 1-month free offer from Skillshare. Starting from today, June 15th, running through the end of the month to June 30th, if you use this referral code right here, which is my Skillshare referral code, you'll get your 30 free days. And I will also put the link down in the description as well. That'll be easier if you have a live link. So with that 30-day free trial offer, what you'll get is you'll get access to all of my online guitar courses. I have around 19 or 20,000 students on there. You'll have access to all my guitar stuff as well as every other course. So there's thousands upon thousands of other courses. So you'll not only be able to take all of my guitar courses, you can take everybody else's guitar courses, and just a ridiculous amount of courses on there. All kinds of, there's a lot of art, drawing, painting, and Adobe Premiere, all that kind of stuff. Pretty much anything you think of, they have a course on it. So that's what you're going to be getting for your free trial. I hope you decide to take me up on this free 30-day offer. I'd love for you to come over and check out some of my online guitar courses. What do you have to lose? It's free. Come on over. I hope to see you on Skillshare.